Hello and good morning, everyone. This is Joshua with Cutting Edge Sharpening. I was wanting to show y'all a few things on some of these clipper blades, why they might be acting up on you. So I just sharpened the comb and the cutter. I've got them oiled. I started to clean off the spring, and if you'll look right there, this blade guide is wore out. It could cause the clipper to not cut to 100% effective. Its effectiveness. So I've got blade guides that I replace on these clipper springs. Mine are orange because my company colors are black and orange, so I snap them on there. It's got a new blade guide now. This is what the spring was, what holds tension on the cutter, so it cuts right. Alright, so these are clean. I'll put that on there. I put oil on the comb right here, 1 drop on each rail, and I put a drop in the groove for the blade guide. Take my screws. Get them started. Leave them loose though, because you got to set the depth of the cutting blade. Alright. And you'll look. It needs to be about the thickness of a business card. You can see the edge of this cutter, and then the flat, and then the rake of the comb. You want that about that distance. Then tighten it down. And then check your gap. Make sure the gap didn't move. It didn't move. Make sure there's plenty of tension, but not too much tension. Tension feels all right. Cuts good. Those are set, sharpened, got a new blade guide, oiled, ready to go. All right, I'm gonna get off here. Y'all have a good day.